Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove this TikTok watermark on any TikTok video that you download. So let's begin the video. Here you can see that I have downloaded a video from GoPro from their official TikTok channel, and you can see that it has this watermark. So in order to remove the watermark, all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. First of all, here is the original video. I will put this video link in the video description. If you are interested, you can follow them as well. So all you need to do is to press on this share button, and here at the first you're going to have this copy link button. Just press on copy link and the link will be copied. You're going to go back and you're going to open the Safari app. So we're going to open the Safari app and you're going to type for this website Snaptic. Again, this website link will also be in the video description. We're going to open this website and here you're going to paste that TikTok video link. So you can long press to paste it, or you can double tap and press on paste. After that you're going to press on the download button. It's going to process your video. Here you can see it's going to show you the preview of the video and the title as well. So we're going to press on the download button. At first it's going to show an advertisement. You're going to close this advertisement and the download should automatically start. Here you can see it says, do you want to download? So we're going to press on the download button, and here on the top the download has started. If I press on it, go to downloads, it's going to show you the downloaded video. So you can play the video from here, or you can go back, and the files are usually saved in the files folder on your iPhone. Here if it's shown like this, just go back, and here under favorites you're going to expand it and you're going to have this downloads folder. Press on downloads and here it's going to show you your video, which you can see right here. And now you can see that this video does not have any TikTok watermark on it. And if you want to save it onto your gallery, it's pretty simple. Just press on this share button on the lower left side, press on save video. If I go back, open my gallery, and here is the original video with the watermark, and here is the new video with no watermark. So yeah guys, in this way you can save TikTok videos without the watermark. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.